Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create animated table map in Adobe Premiere Pro. It will look like this.
Don't say darling, cause you'll fake it.
Of course you can use Adobe After Effects, but this method is very simple and it can save you a lot of time. Basically you use two pictures. One is a map without the root and one is map with the root. And then you will use some masking, and that it is. It's very simple. Now you have to create two pictures, map with the root and map without the root. You can use Google Maps or whatever website you want to. I will use this website because here you can create 3D views, but it's up to you. Create or plan, and I will make planning of the route. So I will type Banff, choose Alberta, then Jasper, click OK. And now here in the left upper corner, this is 3D view. Click on OK. And then make the map look nice for you. For example, this is OK. Now you're gonna make a print screen with the root. Then click here onto the cross. Now make a print screen without the root. And now you will import these two pictures into your project, okay? And then import it in timeline. Make the duration about 10 seconds. That doesn't matter. Now I will transform it a little. You can use effects transform or make it here. I will make it in a motion. So I will use the first picture with the root. Scale it a little. Come on, zoom it in to the right. And it's okay for me. Click on motion, press Ctrl C and copy the settings to other picture and press Ctrl U. You can see that here it is yellow, the function. And if I unhide, one is with the root and one is without the root. And now I can show you how to animate it very easily. It's very simple. You will click on map with the root. You will create a mask. Tap on the free draw Bezier tool. Draw a mask. It really doesn't matter. Make it bigger. It really doesn't matter. Now you will click on invert it, so it will hide all the root. Click here. You will make a point on the beginning of this of the sequence. Then move it on the end of the sequence. Create another point. Tap on mask if you want to show the mask. Unzoom it a little bit, 25%. And now you want to move the mask completely to see all the root. Okay, so for example like this. It will automatically create the motion point for the mask, and that it is. It is very, very simple. Now you can move on the beginning of the clip, create to fit it, and play it. And this is very simple way to make the animation. I was looking for. You can feather the edges of the travel map so you can see the video layer under this picture, or add some more animations. Please let me know in comments how you like this method. Maybe put some link with your travel videos where you use this method. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.